Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TNV Academy. Today we embark on a journey to explore the crucial intersection of human rights and business practices as delineated by the esteemed ISO 26000 standards. Let's delve into how organizations can uphold human rights principles within their operations. Human rights are the foundation of a just and equitable society. In the context of business, respecting and promoting human rights is not just a moral imperative but a business imperative. ISO 26000 provides a comprehensive framework for integrating human rights into business practices. Respect for human dignity. At the core of human rights lies the principle of dignity. Organizations must recognize and respect the inherent dignity of all individuals, both within and outside the workplace. This entails treating everyone with fairness, equality, and respect. Non-discrimination. Discrimination has no place in the business world. Organizations must ensure that all individuals, regardless of race, ethnicity, gender, religion, or other characteristics, are treated equally and without prejudice. By fostering inclusive workplaces, they harness the diverse talents and perspectives of their workforce. Fair labor practices. Labor rights are integral to human rights. Organizations should uphold fair labor practices, including ensuring safe working conditions, fair wages, and reasonable working hours. By prioritizing the well-being of their employees, they demonstrate a commitment to human rights. Human rights due diligence. Human rights due diligence is essential for identifying, preventing, and mitigating potential human rights risks within business operations and supply chains. Organizations should conduct thorough assessments to identify areas for concern and take appropriate actions to address them. Stakeholder engagement. Stakeholder engagement is key to promoting and protecting human rights. Organizations should actively engage with stakeholders, including employees, customers, communities, and civil society organizations, to understand their human rights concerns and integrate their perspective into decision-making processes. Access to remedies. Access to remedies is essential for addressing human rights violations. Organizations should establish effective grievance mechanisms to enable individuals and communities affected by their operations to seek redress for any harm caused. This includes providing avenues for complaints, mediation, and access to justice. Contributing to the community. Businesses have a responsibility to contribute to the well-being of the communities in which they operate. This includes supporting initiatives that promote human rights, such as education, healthcare, and social welfare programs. By investing in the community, organizations can help create a more just and equitable society. In conclusion, integrating human rights into business practices is not only a moral imperative, but also a strategic imperative. By aligning with the principles outlined in ISO 26000, organizations can build trust, enhance reputation, and drive sustainable success while upholding the dignity and rights of all individuals. Let us commit to fostering a culture of respect for human rights in every facet of our business endeavors. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.